Hi everyone, this is Julie with Keeping It Real with Randy and Julie. Just wanted to show you a little project that Randy and I did. In Texas we have a lot of wind and hail, and we had this gazebo that had like a tarp on the top of this frame, and then it went down on this one side only. And the tarp, after that wind and hail we had, I think it was a couple years ago, we just had this frame standing here, and we thought, you know what? Why can't we put some cedar boards, keep the frame because it was in great shape, keep the frame and add some cedar, and then just make this a little place to relax and, you know, just watch the sunset and stuff like that. So that's what we did. So Randy and I added the slats and their pecan, and then I wanted it decorated, and I got this table at not Home Depot, Lowe's, and it was like $99, but it wasn't stained or anything like that. So I took the pecan stain and did the top and the seats, and then I painted everything else black, and then went to Home Depot and got this little rug. Everything's wet right now because I just watered the plants. And then my sister that has a YouTube channel, her and her husband, called At Home with Tom and Rhonda, gave me this little bird bath for my birthday, and it lights up and it's really, really pretty. And then Randy and I added the lights, the colored lights, all the way around, and so that looks really pretty at night. And then we added the plants, and I got like the Boston fern there in the middle. And then I want to say, I'm not for sure, but I want to say that's a purple Jude. And then the ivy. And then you can see how he did he just took the metal screws and put it on each side and just gave that a little look. I think it's really, really pretty. It's real relaxing. And then I'm not for sure what this one is, so if you comment, let me know if you know what this one is, because I don't know what that plant is. I totally forgot it. I guess it is some kind of a fern. And then I want to say that is a airplane plant. And then we have our little chimenea that we liked in the winter and stuff like that. And then I went to Home Depot and found this little sign. It says the porch bucket list, and it says read a book, watch the sunsets, visit with friends, enjoy life, make memories. And that's what we try to do. We sat out here, and my husband, he likes coffee, so he'll drink coffee and stuff, and I'm an unsweet tea drinker, and I will drink my unsweet tea with lots and lots of Sonic ice. So, but yeah, it's just really, really peaceful. We live on 10 acres here in East Texas, and it's real relaxing. It needs mowing, so excuse everything, but if you look out there, there's a pond, and it's stocked with bass and perch and crappie. Yeah. So, yeah, so just wanted to show you a little bit. If you have a frame that you had a gazebo and it's in great condition, you might want to think about adding cedar to it, because we do a lot of woodwork. If you visit my channel, you'll see a lot of pictures and stuff. And then on Facebook, it's called Decor Inside and Outside, and you can see everything that we ever make, from shutters to barn doors to baby pet gates to stovetop covers to the solo cup holders to paper napkin plate holders. We do all sorts of stuff like that. So I hope you will enjoy this channel. Subscribe to me and like it, and visit my Facebook page also, and also visit my brother-in-law and sister-in-law At Home with Tom and Rhonda. I also have a horse. Well, it's a little pony, little miniature pony. His name is Uni, and he dresses up as a unicorn, and we visit kids for birthday parties and photo shoots and stuff like that. He should be gaining his horns in a couple days, so I'm looking forward to showing you all that kind of stuff. Also, with my granddaughter, me and my husband will be doing a time capsule, and I'm looking forward to that project with her. We will be digging a hole and putting some personal stuff in there. So if you have anything, you've ever done one, and you can give me some advice on what we should put in the time capsule so she can open that around her 18th birthday. I know she probably wouldn't want to be digging up something when she's 18, so I look forward to doing that with her. So if you have any ideas on that, let me know. And then also, if you know what that plan is, that would be helpful too. All right, thanks, y'all.